This strange evening drink rekindles energy you thought was lost forever. Good evening, friends. Do you ever get to the end of the day and feel like your energy just vanished? Maybe you're too tired to enjoy your favorite book, play cards with friends, or even chat with your grandkids. It's frustrating, isn't it? Meet Margaret, a 68-year-old from Ontario. Margaret loved her evening knitting, but lately she'd nod off by 7 p.m., feeling like her spark was gone. She worried she was losing the independence she cherished. Sound familiar? Here's the good news. It's not just getting old. There is a simple evening drink that can recharge your nights and bring back that energy you thought was lost forever. It's called Golden Milk, a warm, soothing blend of turmeric and milk that's been used for centuries to boost vitality. No pills, no fads, just a cozy drink you can make tonight. Curious? Stick with me, because I'm going to share why golden milk is a game changer, how to make it taste amazing, and a simple plan to help you feel vibrant again. You deserve evenings full of life, whether it's dancing in your living room, gardening at dusk, or just feeling awake enough to enjoy your family. You're not here to fade away. You're here to shine. So what's really going on with your energy, and how can this strange drink help? Let's find out together. The problem: why your energy fades. Let's talk about why your evenings feel so draining. As we age, our bodies slow down. Circulation isn't as strong, inflammation creeps up, and recovery from the day's activities gets harder. By dinner time, you're wiped out. Meet James, a 72-year-old from Colorado. James used to love his evening walks with his dog, but he started feeling too tired to even make it around the block. He thought it was just age, but there's more to it. Here's the simple science. Your body's energy production relies on good blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain. Aging slows this down, and inflammation caused by stress, poor diet, or even sitting too long makes it worse. By evening, your body's struggling to recover from the day, leaving you sluggish. A 2018 study in Frontiers in Physiology found that chronic inflammation in seniors can sap energy and weaken muscles, making evenings feel like a battle just to stay awake. Why does this matter? Because low energy isn't just about missing your hobbies. It's about losing the freedom to live life on your terms, staying up for a movie, enjoying time with loved ones, or simply feeling like yourself. When your energy fades, it can feel like you're losing a piece of who you are. But here's the hope: you can fight back naturally. Want to know how a warm evening drink can turn things around? Let's dive into golden milk and why it's your secret weapon for brighter evenings. Golden milk, your evening energy booster. So what's this golden milk everyone's talking about? It's a warm, creamy drink made with turmeric, milk, and a few simple ingredients, and it's a powerhouse for rekindling your energy. Let's meet Susan, a 70-year-old from Virginia. Susan was exhausted by evening, barely able to keep up with her book club. Her friends suggested golden milk, and within 2 weeks she was staying up later, laughing and feeling like her old self. That's the magic of turmeric. Here's how it works without the jargon. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that fights inflammation like a superhero. Inflammation is a big reason you feel tired. It's like rust in your body's engine, slowing everything down. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Immunology showed curcumin reduces inflammation markers by up to 30%, helping your muscles and joints recover faster. It also boosts circulation, getting oxygen to your brain and body so you feel alert. Plus, turmeric supports better sleep, which means you wake up refreshed. But it's not just about science, it's about how you feel. Imagine sipping a warm, comforting drink and feeling your energy creep back. Picture yourself enjoying your evenings again, maybe reading, gardening, or just chatting with your spouse without yawning. Golden milk isn't a pill or a gimmick. It's a natural, time-tested remedy that's easy to make. Curious about how to whip up a cup that tastes as good as it feels? Let's talk about the perfect golden milk recipe and how to make it your own. How to make the perfect golden milk. Now let's get practical. How do you make golden milk? It's easier than you think, and it's delicious. Meet Robert, a 73-year-old from Oregon. Robert was skeptical about fancy drinks, but he tried golden milk and loved it. A month later, he was back to his evening woodworking, full of energy. Here's his simple recipe, and you can make it too. You'll need 1 cup of milk, dairy, almond, or oat will work, teaspoon turmeric powder, or 1 teaspoon fresh grated turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon honey for sweetness. Here's how. Warm the milk in a small pot over low heat. Add the turmeric and black pepper, stirring gently for 5 minutes until it's golden and fragrant. Remove from heat, stir in honey and sip slowly. That's it. Takes less than 10 minutes. Why black pepper? It sounds odd, but it's key. A 2013 study in Planta Medica found that piperine in black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. Without it, your body misses most of turmeric's benefits. Want variety? Try adding a pinch of cinnamon for warmth or ginger for a zing. If dairy doesn't sit well, almond or oat milk works just as great. Robert loves his with oat milk and a touch of vanilla. This isn't just a drink, it is a ritual that tells your body it is time to recharge. 1 cup before bed can reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and help you recover overnight. No need for expensive powders or pre-made mixes, just simple ingredients you probably have at home. Want to make this drink even more powerful? Let's look at some evening habits to amplify its effects and keep your energy soaring. Evening habits to amplify golden milk. Golden milk is amazing, but a few smart habits can make it work even better. Let's meet Linda, a 66-year-old from Texas. Linda started drinking golden milk but didn't feel much change until she added a couple of evening tweaks. 3 weeks later, she was dancing with her husband again, full of energy. Here's what she did. First, try a light 10-minute stretch before your golden milk. Simple moves like shoulder rolls, gentle neck stretches, or seated leg lifts loosen your muscles and boost circulation. A 2019 study in the Journal of Gerontology showed that light evening movement improves blood flow and reduces inflammation, helping your body use curcumin better. Don't have time? Even 5 minutes helps. Next, take a short walk after dinner, 10 to 15 minutes around your backyard or living room. This gets your blood moving, making it easier for turmeric's compounds to do their job. Linda started walking her dog before her drink, and it made a huge difference. Also, try sipping your golden milk slowly in a calm setting, no TV or phone. This relaxes your nervous system, enhancing recovery. Finally, stay hydrated during the day. Water helps your body process nutrients like curcumin. Aim for 6-8 glasses, but don't stress. Herbal tea or fruit-infused water counts too. These small habits are like adding fuel to golden milk's fire. Want to avoid mistakes that could hold you back? Let's talk about what not to do, so you get the most out of every sip. Avoiding common mistakes with golden milk. Even with the best recipe, it's easy to trip up. Let's meet William, a 69-year-old from Florida. William tried golden milk but felt no different. Why? He was making a few common mistakes. Once he fixed them, his energy came back and he was back to his evening chess games. Here's what to watch out for. First, don't overdo the turmeric. More isn't better, too much can upset your stomach. Stick 2 teaspoons of powder per cup, as studies like One in Foods 2017 suggest this is the sweet spot for benefits without side effects. Next, don't skip the black pepper. William forgot it and his body barely absorbed the curcumin. That pinch of pepper is non-negotiable. Timing matters too. Drinking golden milk right after a heavy meal can dilute its effects. Wait at least an hour after dinner. William also drank his with coffee, which was a mistake. Caffeine can interfere with turmeric's anti-inflammatory benefits. Save coffee for the morning. Finally, be patient. Golden milk's effects build over time. William saw results after 2 weeks of nightly sips. By avoiding these pitfalls, you're setting yourself up for success. It's like planting a seed, give it the right conditions, and it'll grow. Ready to put this into a simple evening routine? Let's make it easy to start tonight and feel energized by tomorrow. How to apply it your evening routine. Let's make this real. You don't need a complicated routine to bring back your evening energy. Here's a simple plan, inspired by Betty, a 71-year-old from Arizona. Betty was too tired for her evening painting sessions, but this routine changed everything. In 3 weeks, she was creating art until 9 p.m., feeling vibrant. Here's how you can do it. 6:30 p.m. After dinner, take a 10-minute walk around your neighborhood or living room. Keep it gentle, just enough to get your blood flowing. This primes your body for golden milk's benefits. 7 o'clock p.m. Do 5-10 minutes of light stretches. Try seated leg lifts or arm circles while sitting in your favorite chair. This loosens muscles and boosts circulation, helping curcumin work its magic. 7:30 p.m. Make your golden milk. Warm 1 cup of milk, add teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon honey. Stir gently, Sip slowly in a quiet spot, maybe with soft music or a good book. Betty loves hers in a cozy mug by the window, 8 p.m. Wind down with a relaxing activity, read, listen to a podcast, or chat with a loved one. Avoid screens to let your body relax fully. This helps golden milk improve your sleep, so you wake up refreshed. Pro tip: stick to this routine 5-6 nights a week. If you miss a night, no worries, just pick it up the next evening. Betty's secret. She kept it simple and made it a comforting ritual like her evening tea used to be. In a few weeks, you'll feel the difference: more energy, better mood, and the freedom to enjoy your evenings again. Conclusion and hopeful wrap-up. Friends, you've got the key now. Golden milk isn't tea, just a drink it as a way to reclaim your evenings. And the energy you thought was gone. Remember Susan, our book club lover? She started sipping golden milk, added a short walk, and avoided those common mistakes. Now at 70, she's staying up later, laughing with friends, and feeling like herself again. That can be you. You don't have to let fading energy steal your evenings. With a warm cup of golden milk, a few stretches, and a little patience, you can feel vibrant again. Start tonight, make that drink, take that walk, and feel the difference. You're not just aging. You're living, and you deserve evenings full of joy and independence. Try this routine for a week, and let me know in the comments how it's going. I read everyone, and I'm cheering for you. If Betty and Susan can do it, so can you. Hit that subscribe button for more tips to stay active and independent, and share this with a friend who needs a boost. Let's recharge together because your best evenings are still ahead.
God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.
God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.